Yo, what it is? What's up, beautiful poetry people? How you doing today? You doing okay? My name is Zohab Khan, your poet in residence in your residence. Thank you for clicking that button and seeing this face. Today's video is all about coming up with ideas for poems. This is one of the things that I regularly get asked about when I'm doing workshops around the world, especially in schools. There's always a kid that will chuck their hand up and is like, I don't know what to write a poem about. And it's not just kids, it's, adults as well. It's just coming up with ideas of how to write a poem or what to write a poem about can be a little bit of a challenge. Here is a quick way to come up with ideas for a poem. It's not the only way, but this is a quick, easy way. It doesn't take too long and it gets your brain churning. So, first thing to do is I always like to start my poetry workshop sessions or my writing sessions with a brain dump. I've got a whole video about that. It's one of these sides. I've got a whole video about a brain dump. Basically, it's just a stream of consciousness. Get those things out of your brain, let it churn on a piece of paper, and then you move on to writing some poems. Once you've done a brain dump and you've got your brain churning in a certain way, what I like to do is, one of the ways I come up with writing poems is you write down 10 things. 10 things that you did that morning, or 10 things that you're going to do that day, or 10 things you do on a regular day. Could be brushing your teeth, eating breakfast, going to sleep, petting your dog, or doing backflips off the tables. I don't know who's doing backflips off the table, but you know what I'm saying. Usually when I do this in a workshop, what I'll do is I'll ask other people to read it out and see if anybody else has the exact same thing. So most people have, oh yeah, eat breakfast, oh okay, I'll get out of bed, cool. And those things don't necessarily make for great poems. There's a whole way you could turn those into great poems, but for today's exercise, what we want to focus on is the outlandish, is the ridiculous, is the stuff that's so far out of the box it's in another postcode. And the way that we do that is think of the opposite, most outlandish, ridiculous things that you can compared to the normal, mundane ones you've written. So for example, rather than saying, I woke up out of bed, you could say, oh, this morning I woke up in a canoe made out of monkey fur hanging upside down from my ceiling. It's just about getting completely ridiculous and completely outlandish. Or rather than saying, oh, today I have to go to work or run some errands, you could say that today I'm going to take my hoverboard to Albania and eat avocados with Elmo. And if I'm doing this particular exercise in a workshop setting, what I'll do is I'll get the students to once again chuck their hands up, read out what they've got. And if anyone else has got that, then it's not really that uniquely of an original idea. But if it's on that level of, oh, I took a hoverboard to Albania, ate avocados with Elmo, that's some next level poetry idea shizzle, you know what I mean? So that's just a really quick way of coming up with ideas for poems. Plenty more videos like this coming up. Thank you so much for everybody that supported me over these last couple of months whilst I've been making these styles of videos with my background and my whatnots back there. That's my salt lamp. Look how nice my salt lamp is. I really appreciate all the support that I've been getting from all you incredible human beings. Everybody that support me on Patreon, it really does make a difference. It gets me motivated to make these videos. I really do appreciate it. Do consider becoming a supporter on Patreon if you have the means. Also, do remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It makes a big difference on getting this video to more and more people. At the moment, we're just hovering around that 100 view mark. I would love to get more views. I'd love to get more coverage. I would love to get more people to watch these videos, that we can change the world one poem at a time. I think that's me done for now. Thank you so much for everybody that watches. Oh yeah.